Please. No.
What do you want? That's not how we communicate in this house. Oh.
The door is open. You don't have to do this. It's open.
You like it? Did you just pull your fist?
Loco! Clover the bird!
Oh.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Really? Really? There's 3 of them.
Can you wave and say hi? Thank you. Have a good day.
How much more of a circle can you be?
This is absurd behavior. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
The smoothest heist.
Leo, listen, we need to talk. Kiss another cat. I'm sorry.
Anybody else's cat like to just sit up and watch them cook? Or is it just ours?
I guess hungry?
You don't have to knock, you can just come in.
Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off them. Thank you.
Hello. Ow!
Isn't that good?
Yes!
If you're looking for trouble, you came to the right place.
Yeah, you have zoomies. Ooh, what do you want? You want to play? Okay.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh!
Is that good? You love me? Oh, thank you.
Does anybody know how to restart a cat? Because I think mine is frozen.
So I walk into my kitchen and I see this. Now, I'm gonna let you guys guess who was responsible. Now, do we think it's Diesel? Or...
D. A fearful hunter.
Give me a high five. Thanks.
Oh my God, my Shayla.
Jerry, think about it. It's a baby.
Chocolate. Other words. Vader.
Hey! Say hi. Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi? Does anyone else's cat cry till they get picked up and held like a baby, or is it just mine? Like, what?
Are you hungry? Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, are you hungry?
I'm a psycho.
Meow if you're pretty. Oh!
Frank, you can't do this.
Oh no. No,
You gotta lay it down.